today we are going to make chicken nuggets homemade. Today I'm gonna be a chef. Okay. Let's taste. Yum, so good. We need flour, salt, breadcrumbs. They can be seasoned or normal, but for me, I'm taking seasoned. And chicken. And first you need to take 2 eggs, add a little water and beat them. Okay, let's begin. First, you need to take salt as per your taste and add it in the flour and mix it well. And then add the chicken. Then add the flour and the chicken. Ooh, this part is getting messy. Okay, and then again, mix well. Oh, that's hard. Now I'm going to try with hand. Spoon is extremely hard. I'm going to mix it so well. Now that I'm done mixing, I have to add 1 piece by 1 in the egg. Ew. Soak it a little and add in the breadcrumbs. Now you're going to use a fork. Now mix them in the breadcrumbs. Oh, they look real good already. 1 done. Many more to go. Now that we have done dipping and everything, we're going to add it in the hot oil. Remember, always do under parent supervision, or you can ask them to do it for you. Oh boy, that looks good. After it turns brown on one side, flip it to the other side. After it is done cooking, keep it on a plate with tissues on the top, like this. Now that it is ready, I'm going to eat it. It's a little hot, so I'm going to separate it.